Today, we're talking about SnapSeek and how it is absolutely transforming the way summer camps share thousands of photos, doing it instantly and, most importantly, securely. Think about a typical, chaotic, super fun summer camp. You've got photographers running all over the place, snapping thousands of incredible memories every single day. But then what? Well, usually they spend hours late at night dumping all those files into these giant digital folders, trying to categorize them by cabin or activity, and the end result? Parents are stuck endlessly scrolling, hunting, and squinting at thumbnails just to find one single picture of their kid. It is incredibly inefficient. SnapSeek completely flips the script on how this works. Instead of manual folder searches, parents just use an instant selfie to find their kids. Boom, done. Instead of messy open folders where anyone can upload or download whatever they want, SnapSeek uses strict, one-way uploads controlled entirely by the host. It takes this massive privacy risk and turns it into a secure, isolated experience where parents only see their own children. And it does this by mapping key facial landmarks in literally milliseconds. There are just 3 completely frictionless steps to automate your entire photo delivery process. Step 1 is an absolute breeze. Your camp staff or pro photographers just batch upload their daily photos straight to the secure SnapSeek web portal. They can drag and drop thousands of images right from their laptop or even pull them in via Google Drive or Dropbox integrations. Once they're uploaded, the platform's AI automatically goes to work, processing and indexing all those faces in the background in milliseconds. All the heavy lifting? Totally automated. Once your secure gallery is good to go, we move to step 2. You just distribute a unique gallery link or a custom QR code. You can easily toss these codes into welcome emails, slip them into camper registration packets, or just print them on posters by the checkout desk. It makes finding the gallery totally effortless for your camp families. And finally, step 3. This is where the magic really happens. Parents scan that QR code and it opens up a secure browser. And what's absolutely vital here, no app downloads required and no frustrating password resets. A parent simply takes a live selfie or uploads a quick reference photo of their kid from their camera roll. SnapSeek compares that reference against its mathematical templates and instantly delivers a personalized gallery. Oh, and get this, there's even a multi-face search option. That means parents can upload photos of up to 5 siblings at once and get a single consolidated gallery. How cool is that? By ditching the manual tagging and endless folder sorting, you are literally saving hundreds of hours per season. By automating your photo delivery, your photographers can focus purely on capturing memories, your counselors can focus on the campers, and the parents get the instant gratification of seeing their kids having the time of their lives. In today's world, tech-savvy parents expect tech-savvy solutions, and delivering on that expectation builds incredible trust in your camp's administration. So, I'll leave you with this final question. Are you ready to ditch those messy manual folders, truly protect your camper's privacy, and take advantage of the 30 free credits SnapSeek offers to see this tech in action for your next camp season?